Hi, ladies and gents, crypto traders. My name is Jan Schut of Crypto Academy. Today, I would like to put EOS as the crypto trade of the week. And EOS is also a little bit under pressure in line with the crypto market. The crypto market zoomed higher frequently and also lately in the last couple of weeks with BTC and Ethereum, of course, number 1 and 2 zooming higher. EOS is also a nice top 20 coin. Is ranked number 14 with market cap of $2.7 billion. If you take a look at the chart, then you can see very nice low support area around 1.70. It went to $4 more or less, but it did touch the ceiling and then it crashed again towards 2.83, which is very nice buying opportunity at this level. So the correction of more or less 25% reached towards the support area around 2.70 more or less. And if you take a look at the horizontal line, I'd like to put it here. There it is, 2.70, 2.80. Very solid support area if you ask me, and I would like to pick them up as well for my crypto portfolios. Our crypto members, our premium members, will be front row seats, of course. First target would be 3.80, so it's more or less 33%, more than 30% higher, and 4 is a little bit too high given the fact that the resistance area is quite tough. So it is a pity, of course, but nevertheless interesting to take a look here. So we are in the doldrums a little bit around 2.80, 82. And if we take a look at the current sell-off, of course, it's not strong, and on the hourly base also the market is a little bit under pressure. Of course, around 3, there's also a very big area of resistance. Actually, below 2.60, 2.50, the market is a little bit weaker, but I would like to put a stop loss below 2.40 and would like to give it a shot to for a rally towards 4. For now, I wish you a very pleasant evening and pleasant weekend. Hasta la vista. Bye.